What's up, beauties? Welcome to the Ferny show. Today I'm showing you how to make your own aloe vera gel at home. Of course, you need an aloe vera leaf, and if it's organic, it's better, a knife, and a cutting board. I'm starting by cutting off the extremities and the sides to get rid of the little picks. Keep the cutting board underneath the leaf, not to have aloe vera's poison everywhere. The poison is the yellowish substance you can see called aloe. If you swallow it by mistake, you run the risk of spending your day in the toilet, if you know what I mean. So be sure to clean properly all the places that have been in contact with the aloe vera leaf. I cut the leaf in several pieces and put it in a bowl and fill it with water. It aims to clean the leaf to get rid of aloe. Don't forget to change the water every 5 hours if possible, and don't neglect this step, especially if you want to drink it. On the next morning, the water has turned muddy. I throw it away, clean the leaf and the boil. It's facultative, but I cut off the extremities that become a little bit brown. I can then cut in half the pieces of aloe vera. Look at that! And now the best part, the extraction of the pulp. You can use a big spoon or a knife, it's as you want. Personally, I do both. And please be sure to remove the rest of the leaf. Then you have to mix it till you have a white foam. I use a sieve to collect the gel and avoid residues. So get rid of this part with the white foam. And there you go! You have your aloe vera gel. To make sure to keep your gel for a long time, put it in a glass container and in the fridge. Or better, put the gel in an ice cube tray and put it in your freezer. At least you're not wasting. If you remove the aloe, you can drink the aloe vera. It's super healthy. Or you can use it for beauty care. For example, if you want to have a beautiful skin, don't hesitate to do a mask with it. I'm using the rest of the gel directly from the leaf, no waste with Ferny, and it's super good if you want to give back life to your hair. When the mask is dry, just rinse your face, and for your hair you can rinse it too, or keep it as a leave-in conditioner. Your hair will thank you. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Big kisses, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!